Guys, Choppers Rural 1 here. Well, sorry I haven't made a video in a little while. We have an actual total fire ban here, to the extent of we're not allowed to do any grinding, cutting or welding at all outside. So unfortunately, I can't do any more work on the little car, but I have found some headlights for it which look almost like that, so they'll work. I'm going to take this whole bonnet off. That's all going to be redone. I'm not happy with it. I'm going to make it like that, exactly like that. So that's why I haven't posted a video last week. This week is just going to be something like this, mainly because, as I said, we got a total fire ban on, where there's no cutting, welding, grinding or anything outside. And unfortunately, my workshop in here is a bit packed. But anyway, it's all good. So we'll go, hopefully next week we can do some more. All right, guys, that's it from me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.